You know, it's amazing how many people have died from sneezing. A lot of people have died from sneezing, actually. And if you think about the different kinds of sneezes that are out there, this may not be too surprising to you. There are lots of different sneezes. There's like the little mouse sneeze, like the little, little sweet little, okay. Then there's kind of like what I call the karate sneeze that just kind of, like that, and scares everybody in the room. You have that sneeze that the person borrows all the air in the room and says, "I'll give it back in a minute." They're just like, shoo! One of my favorites I call the sprinkler sneeze. It's where the person just goes, I think a lot of farmers do that one. That's pretty popular out in farms. But the interesting thing with sneezing is everybody feels like if you sneeze, you deserve a blessing, like you just did some great achievement. When really what they just did is kind of blessed everybody else, and now you think they need to be blessed. I mean, I've seen people that don't even know the other person. They can be on a metro bus and 9 seats ahead, someone sneezes, "Bless you." You're in church, bless you. Everybody, someone sneezes like 4 people, bless you, bless you. I know people that don't even say a blessing over their meal at night, but will bless a stranger if they sneeze. But I think the most deadliest kind of sneeze there is out there, it's a sneeze that my mother does. And she, this is that sneeze. Let me tell you something about this sneeze. My entire life, my mom has tried to hold her sneeze. And I don't know exactly how to describe this for you necessarily, but here's the best way I would say. I would say this. It sounds like Daffy Duck getting hit by a truck is what it really... Because she just doesn't want anybody to give her attention. She don't want to sneeze and get all the bless yous and all that stuff. And so she does this, and she, her eyes get big, her shoes swell, she's just like... And the problem with that sneeze is you forfeit a blessing with that because no one knows what just happened. People are like, what was that? I don't know. I don't know what that was. My mom was always a good example. I tried to follow my parents' example, so I decided I will try that one time. I was in a meeting. I was with a bunch of people. I did not want to draw attention to myself, so I thought I would hold the sneeze. I will never, ever do that again. Can I tell you something about that? That sneeze is coming out. It may not come out your face, but it's coming out. Walk across the room, bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you.